Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate automated rebalancing with Fidelity, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate automated rebalancing with Fidelity, start by logging into your Fidelity account. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts and Trade tab on the top menu. From the drop-down menu, select Portfolio to access your current investments. Locate the Rebalance section within your portfolio overview. Click on the Automated Rebalancing option to begin the setup process. You will be presented with information regarding how automated rebalancing works. Read through the instructions carefully to understand the features and benefits. Next, click on the Enroll or Get Started button to proceed. You will need to choose the specific accounts you wish to enable for automated rebalancing. Review your asset allocation and ensure it aligns with your investment goals. Select your desired target allocation for each asset class. Once you have finalized your target allocations, click Continue to proceed. Fidelity may prompt you to review your selections before finalizing the setup. Take a moment to double-check all the details to ensure accuracy. After confirming your allocation, click on the Activate or Submit button. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that automated rebalancing has been successfully activated. If you wish, you can adjust your preferences or settings at any time. To do this, simply revisit the Rebalance section in your portfolio. With automated rebalancing activated, your investments will be monitored regularly. Fidelity will make adjustments based on your target allocation to maintain your desired investment strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password. You can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.